Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect GoDaddy domain to hosting a website. So, if you bought your domain from GoDaddy but host your website on Hostinger, you can connect them easily using the DNS setting. First, log into hostinger.com and sign in. From your dashboard, open your website's control panel and find your name servers. They usually look something like this. Copy these and you will need them shortly. Now, step 2 is going to godaddy.com and logging in. And on your My Products page, find your domain, then click Manage DNS. You will see the current DNS records and the name server section. Simply scroll down to the name server section and click Change. Select Enter My Own Name Servers, that is in the advanced panel, then paste the two Hostinger name servers you copied earlier. Then click Save to apply changes. Now, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours for DNS changes to fully propagate across the web. During this time, your website might briefly show the old GoDaddy landing page. Simply, after propagation, return to your Hostinger control panel, go to Domains, navigate to DNS Zone Editor or Website, then navigate to Manage and check if your domain is now showing as connected. If it's not added automatically, go to Website, choose Add Website on Hostinger, enter your GoDaddy domain and link it in your hosting plan. And your GoDaddy domain is now connected to your Hostinger website. From now on, any visitor who types your domain will reach your live Hostinger site. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.